You can't prepare yourself for what you see and have to do and more. And it really puts a weight on you. You know, I don't think I really knew how to release a lot of that or even to deal with it. I actually suffer from complex PTSD, which is because I've had a lot of trauma over my life, a lot of childhood trauma. There's sexual stuff and a lot of physical and mental abuse by my mother. When I originally came down here, I don't think I really knew what I was getting myself into. It's been really, really challenging. And it's not for the faint of heart. Things came up that I didn't know I needed to deal with and that I didn't know where I was gonna have to. One of the medicines was sapo. I got crying and screaming and torture, and it was not good, but immediately, as soon as I started having a bad reaction, like all the facilitators were on me. They were singing to me, they were caressing my face, they were holding my hand. Mother Ayahuasca helped me realize why I had to go through that. It's good that it happened the way it was because the medicine gives you what you need, not what you want. That was okay, because I do feel better now. This experience has been so profound, and I want other soldiers and other military personnel and other people who have PTSD and complex issues and depression and anxiety to know that there is another treatment, and you can come to Arkana and you can get the help you need.